This Samsung over-the-range microwave uses a low-profile design that frees up headroom while still offering a surprisingly usable interior capacity of about 1 1/10 cubic feet. Its integrated ventilation system replaces a traditional hood and uses a wide dual grease filter to capture steam, oil, and smoke effectively over a standard range. Cooking performance is strong for everyday tasks, with even heating for reheating leftovers, defrosting meat, and quickly preparing side dishes or snacks. The stainless steel exterior has a special finish that resists fingerprints, so the unit stays looking clean with minimal wiping and does not show every smudge. Controls are straightforward and modern, combining clearly labeled buttons with preset options that make it easy for different family members to get consistent results. Overall build quality feels solid for a slim appliance, and the space-saving footprint makes this microwave a smart fit for smaller kitchens or crowded cooking areas.